Searching for the best auto body shop in the Taylor, Texas Norman area? If you are searching for an auto body repair shop in Taylor's Norman area, you have probably been in a wreck. As the careless driving of numerous car owners is getting typical, the accidents are definitely unavoidable. In these mishaps, in some cases the whole car is harmed or the body surface area deals with the impact. Watch this auto body shop video in Norman. One piece of strong guidance for all vehicle owners is not to go the inexpensive path when you have your car fixed. There are numerous dangers that include substandard repair done on a car that went through a serious accident. For instance, if inexpensive, substandard parts were utilized, it can imply that you require to invest more in the future for extra repair work. There are numerous risks you can deal with if you have your car fixed by an inexpensive accident center. Quality Auto Body quotes near Taylor's Norman. When a quote is accepted, the work will be done. Ultimately, the moldings and parts are changed and the vehicle is driven to be sure whatever works. You can likewise request included repair work if the outcomes are not acceptable. Quality Auto Body Coverage Car Service Center, like you, aspire to benefit from insurance coverage chances by thoroughly thinking about additionals or incidentals that might occur throughout the evaluation. It would be much better to aim for a greater expense to prevent paying more in the future. Quality Auto Body Equipment. No matter what type of repair work services you require, a expert auto body shop can offer you with anything and whatever and deal with all the various makes and designs. While a vehicle garage can constantly assist you with outside problems, they likewise have the expertise to handle accident repair work jobs. Quality Auto Body Technicians. Nobody prepares to enter into a vehicle mishap. It ought to be a concern to get the vehicle fixed by a professional and credible vehicle mechanic. Ensure that the mechanics who provide mishap repair work and vehicle services can get your car back on the road securely. Quality Auto Body near my home. Despite the repair work or maintenance done, breakdowns will occur, therefore it's recommended to take it to a garage for a routine checkup. When you are searching for an auto body shop, the last thing you wish to do is employ somebody who is brand new in business or possibly does not have much experience in the market. You likewise wish to discover a store near you so you can quickly get your car repaired rapidly and effectively. Auto Body Parts. The vehicle repair work business would inspect the damage and working of essential parts of your car. If any of it needs replacement, the parts and devices are obtained or purchased by the business itself. Specific companies provide guarantees on the changed parts so that you can get the future issues repaired from the service provider without investing cash. Get the best truck painting. If your car requires a brand new coat of paint due to mishap repair work, you can get it done by experts who are extremely experienced and bring back the car to the greatest requirements. You require to inspect the qualifications mainly. You require to contact a dealership who cuts no corners, since you cannot bear any type of substandard work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.